What if I told you there's business where demand never drops, customers are guaranteed, and one smart factory can generate crores every year? This isn't tech. This isn't a trend. This is blood bag manufacturing, a silent money-making machine. Let's talk facts. Every year, the world needs over 120 million blood donations, and every single unit of blood requires a blood bag. The global blood bag market is already worth $3 to $4 million, and it's growing steadily at 6 to 8% CAGR. Now zoom into India. India alone needs 14 to 15 million units of blood annually, but still faces shortages. Hospitals, trauma centers, and blood banks all depend on a continuous supply of safe, sterile blood bags. And here's the real opportunity. With rising accidents, surgeries, chronic diseases, and expanding healthcare infrastructure, demand is not just stable, it's exploding. This is not a seasonal business. This is an evergreen demand. Big companies already understand this goldmine. Companies like Terumo Corporation, Fresenius Say, and Grifols dominate the global market. In India, brands like Hindustan Syringes medical devices are scaling aggressively. These companies are generating massive revenues, not because it's glamorous, but because it's essential. And that's your edge. Let's be brutally honest. Most startups fail because they chase trends. Apps die, fads disappear, markets crash. But healthcare, it only grows. Blood bags are not optional. They are life-saving consumables. Every hospital, every surgery, every emergency needs them. This gives you 3 unbeatable advantages. Guaranteed demand, repeat customers, zero dependency on trends. You're not selling a product. You're supplying a necessity. Let's break down why this is a smart money move. High profit potential. Once your plant is set, margins improve with scale. Bulk supply, serious money. Low market saturation. Unlike FMCG or food, this sector has fewer players due to technical entry barriers. Less competition, bigger opportunity. Growing healthcare sector. India's healthcare industry is expected to reach $370 billion by 2030. More hospitals, more demand. Export opportunities. Countries in Africa, Asia, and the Middle East depend heavily on imports. You're not limited to India. You can go global. Recurring demand. Blood bags are single use. That means repeat orders. Again and again, for years. This is not a one-time sale business. This is a continuous cash flow. Now here's where most people get stuck. Execution. That's where NII, our project consultancy services, NPCS, comes in. NPCS provides detailed project reports, complete business planning, accurate market research, technical know-how for manufacturing, step-by-step guidance to set up your plant instead of guessing. You follow proven roadmap. That cuts your risk massively. The Indian government is actively pushing manufacturing. Schemes like Make in India and Startup India are designed to support entrepreneurs like you. You can benefit from subsidies on machinery, easy MSME loans, tax benefits, support from the Ministry of Micro, Small, and Medium Enterprises. The system is literally helping you start. The question is, are you ready to take advantage? Let's cut the noise. This is not a flashy startup. This is a smart, strategic, high-demand business. While others chase hype, you can build a real asset, a factory that prints money year after year. The demand is there. The support is there. The opportunity is wide open, but it won't stay that way forever. So the real question is, will you watch others build million-dollar businesses, or will you take action and build one yourself? Start now. Think long-term. Build wealth.